Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is a beginning of a series talking about how I color my hair. So this one to start is going to be talking about all my supplies that I got to start this. I'm glad I'm doing this because the last time I went to the hair salon, which I've talked about in the past in other videos, I realized it was a large patch that they didn't even color my hair. So it's just, I'm not happy. Maybe I can do a better job. If I can't, at least I did the same type of job that I actually paid someone else to do for that kind of money, you know, 300 bucks. It's crazy. So I decided I'm going to give this a shot. So today I wanted to talk about the supplies. The most exciting thing about the supplies is actual hair dye, and I decided to get a new color, and it's the same name brand of L'Oreal, and this color is called AA01 Ultra Light Ash Blonde. So it's going to be an experiment. I hope it doesn't turn my hair green, but it will be interesting. So this is the shade, and I decided to purchase 2 boxes for one application. I'm contemplating to buy one more, and it might be one whole bottle might be too much, but I'm thinking about it, so I might go out and buy one more. The next supply that I got to prepare to do this is these are called bonnets, or plastic bags that you cover your hair with. I decided to do this so when it sits for the hair dye to soak in, I thought I'd put a bag over it so it could penetrate a lot faster and a lot better. A hairbrush. So this looks good. I think the brush itself is a little bit too long. Maybe it should be a little bit shorter. I'm not too sure. Or maybe this is good enough. The bowl. It's a plastic bowl with a little handle here. I don't know if you can see that. And it's a bowl. A mixture bowl. I mean, I could have used something at home, but I'm not too sure if it's good to use one of my dish bowls and then wash it out, and maybe there's some kind of a residue. I just didn't want to do that. Really, when you think about it, if you bought maybe some fast food, frozen food from the grocery store, and it came in a plastic bowl that you could heat up in the microwave, I'm thinking you could reuse something like that. Or if you were buying a small tub of mushrooms, that would be good enough, as long as there's not a lot of grooves in the corners, you know, that kind of detail. That would be good enough. Maybe I should have done that instead of spending money to buy this. I can't remember. This was only $2.95 anyways, but yeah, if you don't want to go out and buy this, you can just recycle like one of those mushroom containers when you do your grocery shopping. That would have been good enough anyway. So it's an idea. So I think that's it for this video. I'm just really excited to give this a shot, and I'm going to do a series, and I'll post the series every step to show what I've been doing for the hair coloring. But I first wanted to show you my supply. I do have some rubber gloves, and rubber gloves come with this also. And I do love the L'Oreal brand 8 Seconds Wonder Water. That is amazing. I probably wouldn't be using it when I first color my hair, just my washes afterward. But it comes with something to protect the ends of your hair, the hair dye, and conditioner. So that's it, and I look forward to sharing the whole hair coloring process with you. And I hope you're excited as much as I am. Take care and have a great day. Bye.